Hey, Kevin from Common Room here, and I'm going to walk through our platform, which is for end-to-end pipeline generation that's powered by our agent, Roomie AI. So I'm going to kind of start at the end here and pretend that I'm a rep that's prioritizing my day. You can see here we have this view for accounts in my book of business that have a high score. And so as a rep, I'm logging into Common Room. I'm seeing, how I should prioritize which accounts to go after, and maybe drilling into each account to see what is going on at that account and why I should reach out. So you can see here we have a pretty holistic overview of all the things happening at the account, like research on the account, what their score is, key factors driving that score, top contacts, and lots of other things on that account. We have a full-on research agent that will tell you, all the things that you might want to know as a rep, like what's their business model, risk analysis, their hiring trends, what happened on a recent earnings call for their priorities, stuff like that. And then, with all this context, I can reach out to the different people within this account who I might want to target to book a meeting with. So let's use Peter here as an example. Peter looks like a pretty good prospect for us. I'm going to click on Peter. And just like we saw that account level detail, we can also see the factors that are driving Peter's score and which segments he's in and his previous roles, all this kind of stuff. And so as a rep, maybe I want to reach out to Peter. He looks like a great prospect. I can simply click on this draft AI message, and I can click on the intro that I want to draft here or find here. I'll click on this Roomie AI one, and we can see that Common Room is generating a personalized intro for to reach Peter here. So it says Dev mentioned. Dev is the CEO of Mongo here, and pulls out a specific quote from their earnings call. We're also referring to things like their go-to-market motion. Their competitors are personalized here. We have the number of roles and go-to-market that they're hiring for. And then also we have a customer story to tie everything together. So this looks like a pretty solid outbound email that I can copy, maybe drop into LinkedIn for a DM, or I can use my sequencer tool and add Peter to the specific sequence. You can see the same messages showing here, and I can add Peter to that sequence. And that is maybe a good way to get a warm intro into this account. Now, to do all that, there's a lot of stuff happening within Common Room, and I'm going to show you next how to get to that personalized level and how you can do that across all of your different prospects and all of your different accounts that you're going after. All right, the next thing I wanted to show is just how easy it is to use Roomie AI, which is our agent for generating these one-to-one messages at scale, and how to power the messages with buying signals. And you can see those buying signals called out here, these variables like for earnings call, their business model, primary competitors. We have open go-to-market roles. And if I want to add another variable, I can easily do so. So I can say, let's add EPD, open headcount for engineering, product, and design as well. I can update this prompt, and then the next time that I generate that personalized message, we're going to include the number for EPD headcount here as well. And so you may be thinking now, how do I get to these other, where do I get the information for these buying signals? And for that, I'm going to hop over to another part of our product and show you how to do that as well. All right, so I'm back in my Roomie AI agent config settings, and I want to show how easy it is to either add or edit a signal grouping here. Let's edit this hiring trends one, and this will update globally across all of our different accounts. And so I can easily just say, since this is hiring trends, let's add in strategic hires mentioned in, and then I can say earnings call, since that is another signal capture grouping that we have. I can update this prompt, and then this will also now include any strategic hires mentioned in earnings calls. So pretty powerful stuff. All right, so one of the last things I wanted to show is that not only does Common Room pull in all these signals and context at the account level, but we also do it at the person level as well. So we can see here, if I click into any user, we can see all this unified buying signal and activity data, like their usage of the product, their job change history, any other kind of like website visits and other activity that we're capturing on an individual level, and we roll that up to the account as well. And so if I wanted to send that personalized email from before to multiple people, since we have and enrich all of their contact data with Common Room out of the box, I can simply select these people, add them to an outreach sequence, and you can see here that our Roomie AI is generating a bespoke message based on what's in their earnings call, their competitors, and it's doing that for each one of these individuals. And I can easily add them to sequence. And this just takes way, way less time than it would if you had to personalize these individually. Okay, so one last thing to touch on is just how you automate all this without any human touch required. And for that, I'm going to turn to this pricing page visits play. And let's say reps are just blindly going through this play and adding people to sequence without any type of intervention or human review. Now, for that, it doesn't really make sense to have a human in the loop, and you can just automate the whole process. And for that, I'm going to turn to our workflows agent and show you how easy it is to do this all at scale with no humans in the loop. All right, so here we are in our automated workflow canvas, and you can see we're adding people to that pricing page view sequence under my email alias. The last things we want to do is just set the criteria for the signals that we want to trigger sending this email to. And so I'm going to say URL visited equals the pricing page, and then I'm going to add another filter because we want this to be from qualified contacts. So I'm going to say contact tag equals economic buyer. This is just the designation for director level or above, which can be totally customized. I'll click save here, and then anyone who qualifies for this criteria will automatically be added to this sequence. No human in the loop, and you can generate pipeline while you're away. So that's it for the demo. Thanks for watching, and hope you found it useful.